Hello everyone, let me quickly guide you through the RFQ process. RFQ stands for Request for Quotation. It's a feature where a buyer reaches out to a seller to request a better price for a selected item. Now, when I click into the RFQ section, I land on a screen where I can view three tabs: Pending Requests, Completed Quotes, and Declined Requests. Let's start with Pending Requests. When I open this tab, I can see the list of all pending RFQs. Each row here represents a single quotation request that needs to be reviewed and approved by the seller. From here, the seller has two options: either send an estimate or place an order on behalf of the customer. Also, these RFQs can be viewed in the My RFQ section on the storefront. Next, when I click on Completed Quotes, I'll see all the quotes that have been proposed and approved. And under Declined Requests, you'll find all the quotes that were rejected. To wrap things up, as a seller, you can either adjust the target price within the existing request or raise a brand new quote against that RFQ. On the buyer's side, they can choose to accept the quote and place an order, or reject the seller's offer if it doesn't meet their expectations. And that's a quick overview of how the RFQ process works from start to finish. Thank you.